Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve credit monitoring with Experian easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve credit monitoring with Experian, start by visiting the Experian website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the credit monitoring section. Select the type of monitoring plan that suits your needs. Review the features included in each plan. Choose the plan and proceed to set it up. Provide any necessary personal information for verification. Link your bank account or credit card for payment. Enable alerts to receive notifications about changes to your credit report. Set your preferences for the frequency of updates. Make sure to download the Experian mobile app for on-the-go monitoring. Log into the app and familiarize yourself with its features. Regularly check your credit report for accuracy. Report any discrepancies you find directly through the portal. Take advantage of the credit score simulator to see how different actions may affect your score. Use the educational resources provided by Experian to learn more about credit. Stay proactive by reviewing your credit report at least once a month. Utilize the fraud detection tools offered to safeguard your identity. Engage with customer support if you have any questions or issues. By following these steps, you can enhance your credit monitoring with Experian. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.